In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a private dropshipping supplier called BS Dropshipping so you can source your products for cheaper and also get your products with 5 to 10 day shipping times. I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Shopify dropshipping stores to their platform, how to source products using their platform, and how to fulfill orders using BS Dropshipping's services. And I have used their services for multiple different stores and I can vouch for their services. They are very reliable when it comes to using a private dropshipping supplier. So let's get straight into it. The first thing I am going to do is I will leave a link in the description to the BS Dropshipping platform. And from here, you can click on sign up now and you will be brought over to the BS Dropshipping registration page. All you need to do is just enter in your name, enter in an email address, choose a password, click on I've read the user registration agreement and click on sign up. Now I already have a BS dropshipping account, so I'm simply just going to click on login to their account. Once you are logged into your BS dropshipping account, you will be prompted to connect your Shopify dropshipping store to their platform. So if we just go over to store management, and from here you can click on connect Shopify, or you can click on connect WooCommerce if you are running a WooCommerce store. So we are just going to click on connect Shopify, and all you simply need to do from here is enter in your Shopify store's URL, click on confirm, and then you will install the BS dropshipping app onto your Shopify store. Now I've already connected my Shopify store to my BS dropshipping account, but like I say, it is super simple to go and connect your store. Once you have connected your store, the first thing that you can do is go and request a quote for your most popular products that you are selling on your store. So you can come over to products and click on products. Now from here, you can click on my store products. And from here, you will see all of the products that you have listed on your Shopify store, and you can request a quotation for any of these products. So in order to request a quotation, you can simply click on ask quote. And now it will take a few days for them to come back to you with a quotation. So I'll show you how you can go and view all of your quotations in a moment. Alternatively, if you go over to BS products, you can see some products that they already have in their warehouse that you can go and list on your store as well. And from here, you can go and set up custom packaging for your products as well. So as you can see, you have logo printing on the product. You can go and purchase any of these. You also have 500 pieces of professional customized boxes, so you can go and purchase any of these custom packagings if you want to. And then if you go over to packaging, you will see your custom packaging that you have purchased. So you can go and upload your logo, you can go and create cards for your products, you can go and see my product packaging and my shipping packaging as well. So if you do want to go and create custom packaging for your products, this is where you can go and do it. And you can go and contact BS Dropshipping at any point by clicking on the little icon in the corner. You can go and have a chat with them and they'll help you to set up your custom packaging as well. So once you have made a request for a quotation, you can now go over to sourcing. And in here, you will see all of the products that you have requested a quotation for. As you can see, you have a monthly limit of 5 quotations per month. Of course, if you're doing an extremely high number of sales, you can increase your quotation limit. But when you're first starting out, you will have a quotation monthly limit of 5 products. Once you have made a quotation request, BS Dropshipping will get back to you and you can click on check price. And from here, you can check the price and the shipping times depending on what country you're selling to. So as you can see for this product, if I just scroll down and click on United Kingdom, and I then just go and click on the shipping like this, we can see that the product is going to cost me $8.69 with 7 to 14 day shipping for this product. Now, if I go over to the United States, and I go and select the shipping option again, you can see if I'm selling it to the United States, it's going to cost me $10.07. Let's just go and choose one more. Let's just say Australia, for example, and we go and choose this. As you can see, for Australia, it's going to cost me $9.83. Now from here, you can make a bulk order. You can go and brand the product again if you want to go and add custom packaging and add your logo to the product. And you can go and request a quotation for a custom video or custom images of the product. And you can then simply click on publish to store to go and publish the product to your store. Now, if you already have the product published in your store, let's say you were originally selling from another platform such as CJ Dropshipping, and then you have requested a quote for that product, you don't actually have to worry about publishing the product to the store and reconnecting the product and setting up the product page again from scratch, BS Dropshipping will just go and redirect all of the new orders to their platform. So if you're already selling a product from one other dropshipping platform and then you find it with better shipping and for a cheaper price on BS Dropshipping, like I say, you don't need to worry about importing the product to your store again, setting up the product page and redirecting all of the traffic to that product page. BS Dropshipping will just go and redirect all of the current orders to their platform to make things super simple for you to be able to continue selling the same product from the same product page, but start using their platform to actually go and fulfill the orders. So that's a really great benefit of using their service, is that you don't actually have to go and set everything up from scratch. So we can now go and close this. If you do want to make a completely new quotation request, let's say you don't have a product on your store and you just want to go and request a quote for a product that you want to sell, you can click on new request, and from here you can go and upload an image of the product. You can go and insert the product name. You can go and insert a product URL, for example from Aliexpress or CJ Dropshipping or any other platform. You can go and enter in a description, and you can click on submit, and then again you will see that quotation under quotations. So that is how you can go and source products. Also, if you do want to make a bulk purchase, so if we just go back over to quotations and we scroll down, if I click on check price and I go and make a bulk order, once you have made a bulk order, you can go over to my stock, and from here you will see that bulk order of stock that you have purchased. And in some cases you might want to make a bulk order of stock because it's actually going to bring your unit price down. So if you're doing an extremely high amount of sales on your product, you might want to think about making a bulk purchase to get your products for even cheaper. So like I say, you can see your bulk order under my stock. So now I want to show you how you can actually fulfill orders using BS Dropshipping. So if we actually just go over to order, and from here you can simply click on sync order to go and sync all of the orders from your Shopify store, and then in here you will see all of the orders that you have synced. Now, providing that you have connected your product from your quotation to your Shopify product, BS Dropshipping will then go and fulfill all of the orders automatically for you. So you don't need to come in here and fulfill all of the orders manually. BS Dropshipping will go and fulfill all of the orders for you automatically. They will go and add all of the tracking numbers to your Shopify store. So all of those tracking numbers will get sent out to your customers automatically. And you can always go and make a batch payment for all of your orders at once. If we come over to billing, from billing, you can simply make a bank transfer to your BS Dropshipping account. So if we click on bank transfer, they have bank accounts in euros, pounds, and US dollars. So it doesn't really matter which country you're based in. You can simply go and make a bank transfer. And this way you can go and top up your BS Dropshipping account balance, as you can see here. And if you go and top up your account balance, like I say, when you come over to orders, all of your orders will simply be taken from your account balance. Now, don't worry if your account balance hits 0. If it does, BS Dropshipping will still fulfill your orders up to a certain point, and you will see that under pending payment, and you can simply go and make a batch payment to go and pay for all of those outstanding orders that have been fulfilled. Now, another really great thing is when an order is fulfilled, as you can see, the tracking numbers are updated automatically and these get sent out to your customers. But BS Dropshipping actually have their own tracking page, and when a customer goes and enters in an order tracking number and they hit track, they won't actually see any tracking information that comes from China. So they'll only see the tracking information once the package actually hits the customer's country. So if we go and have a look at this particular product here, when it was coming from China, as you can see, all it says is your parcel is in transit, your parcel is in transit, your parcel has been dispatched from the retailer, and we expect it to arrive with every shortly. And then once it actually reaches the customer's country, that's when it will be updated with the customer's country information. So as you can see for this particular product, once it hit Great Britain, then it says London, Great Britain, it has been cleared. London, Great Britain, delivered to the local carrier, and so on. So that's a really great thing about using BS Dropshipping, because their tracking doesn't actually show the customer that the product is coming from China. And this is going to improve the customer experience, which means that you're more likely to get repeat customers. Now, one last thing I do want to show you is if we go over to roles, you can simply go and add a role if you have virtual assistants working on your store. And the same for accounts if we go over to accounts. And from here, you can add different users to your store again. if you have virtual assistants managing your store, they can log into the BS Dropshipping platform and they can go and manage everything for you. Now, lastly, I just want to click on support tickets. So if you do have any problems with any of your orders at any point, you can simply go and open a new ticket by clicking on open new ticket. You can simply search the order number that you want to open a ticket for and click on search. And from here, you will see all of the information about that particular order. And if you do have any problems, you can click on file a question. And then if we go back to support tickets, you will then see your support tickets in here and you can click on view ticket details. And from here, BS Dropshipping will be able to answer any questions you may have about a particular order. So as you can see, for this particular order, I said there's no tracking information, and as you can see, they went and updated the tracking information right away. So they do have excellent customer service. If you do have any problems with your orders, they will answer you pretty much right away. So that is how you can start using the private dropshipping agent BS Dropshipping. I will leave a link in the description to their platform and you can check them out for your very own dropshipping stores. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.